Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Google Voice Data for text to speech in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now here in settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, click on text to speech output, and first of all tap on preferred engine and select special recognition and synthesis from Google. And after selecting this option, go back and click on the settings icon with preferred engine. Now here click on install voice data, and from here open the language to install its voice data. So from here you can select any language, and after opening the language, click on this download icon to download the voice data of this language, and then it will start downloading. So that's how you can install Google Voice Data for text to speech in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.